December 3rd, 2021, I am sitting in my auntie's house in a small town in Bangladesh, watching a YouTube video titled Earn Money with Mobile. I had no laptop, no fancy equipment, just a smartphone and way too much free time because COVID has delayed my exams and I thought, what if this actually works? Fast forward to today. I run a digital marketing agency, but here's the thing, that journey started with nothing but a phone and a lot of expensive mistakes. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly what's happened when I tried to build an affiliate marketing business with just a smartphone. The real stuff, the failures, the breakthroughs, and whether you actually need a computer to make this work. Stick around because by the end you will know if your phone is enough or you are just wasting your time. Let me start with some honestly. When people ask me, Bisho, can I start affiliate marketing with just my phone? My answer is yes, but it's complicated. See, the internet is full of those videos showing you screenshot of people earnings and telling you it's easy. But here's the what they don't tell you. Mobile only affiliate marketing is like trying to build furniture with just a screwdriver. Can you do it? Sure. It is the most effective way, not even close. But here's the why I am still making this video, because I know most people watching this don't have a laptop. According to data report, over 60% of internet users in South Asia across on the web primarily through smartphones. That might be you, and I refuse to sell you. Come back when you can afford a computer. So let me tell you what actually happened when I tried this, and more importantly, what I learned that can help you decide if this is worth your time. Alright, when I started in late 2021, I don't even know what affiliate marketing is really was. I just know people were supposedly making money by promoting stuff, so I downloaded every app I could find: YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram groups, even random survey apps. And I tried everything. I joined CPA networks, companies that pay you when people complete actions like filling out forms. I had to copy affiliate links, paste them in Facebook groups, and wait for money to roll in. Guess how much I made in the first 3 months? Zero. Actually negative, because I brought some courses that promise instantly results. Classic mistake. But here's what I learned during that phone only phase that actually matters. Lesson 1. Mobile forces you to focus on one platform at a time. When you are working on a phone, you cannot have 47 browser tabs open. You can juggle multiple tools, and honestly, that's not always to be a bad thing. I became really good at Instagram because that's all I had attention spent to manage on mobile. I learned how to write captions that converted, how to engage in DMs, how to build a real relationship. Lesson 2. You learn to create content whatever you earn. I did write post ideas on my phone during my college commute. I did record short videos using my phone camera. I researched product while sitting in the stalls. Your phone makes you scrappy, and scrappy often beats perfect. Lesson 3. But there are real limitations. Here's where you get frustrating. Building a website, nightmare on mobile during keyword research for SEO, painful. Amazing data from multiple sources, forget it. Creating professional graphics, impossible without pulling your hair out. I remember spending 2 hours trying to edit a landing page on my phone using same mobile website Blender. I could not done the same thing in 20 minutes on a laptop. So here's the truth. I don't succeed because of my phone. I succeed despite it. Okay, but let me give you the other side, because here's the thing. Affiliate marketing is not one thing. It's bunch of different strategies, and some of them work way better than your mobile than others. Let me break you down what actually works. Strategy and 1. Social media affiliate marketing. This is your bait, the bait with just a phone. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Facebook, they are built from mobile creation. Here's a real example. I promoted a digital marketing course through Instagram stories. No website needed. I did create a value post about marketing tips, build trust, then drop your link using a link in a bio tool like Linktree. Made my first 50 this way. Not life changing, but it proved me the model worked. The key? Pick one platform, master it, and focus on building genuine relationship. Answer DMs, comment on posts, be human. This is it too. Yes, really. People think you need a camera setup. Wrong. Some of the fastest growing channels are literally someone telling their front of camera, no editing, no fancy graphics, just pure hello. I have been seeing creators in India and Pakistan build entire businesses reviewing products on YouTube using just their phones. They unbox products, they honest reviews, drop your links in descriptions. YouTube algorithm does not care what device you need. It cares about watch time and engagement. This is number 3. WhatsApp and Telegram community building. This is huge in South Asia but underrated globally. Build a small community, share valuable content, recommended products that genuinely help. I know an after marketer who makes $2,000 a month promoting software tools a 500-person Telegram groups, all from his phone. Zero website, what doesn't work well on mobile. Building SEO optimized blogs too slow, too technical, running paid ads, tracking and optimization require desktop analytics. Creating complex funnels, design tools are desktop, fast, heavy data analytics. You need spreadsheet, multiple dashboards. So their answer is mobile works for leadership, relationship driven, content fast after marketing. It does not work well for technical data heavy strategies. Alright, practical stuff. If you are going to mobile only, here's the apps I actually used and recommend. For content creation, CapCut, video editing, super silently powerful. Canva mobile, graphics and throughout limited, compared up to desktop. Google Docs, writing posts, state for affiliate programs. Amazon Asset has a documented mobile interface. ClickBank works on mobile browser. Impact Share Sell, manageable on phone for analytics. Google Analytics app, basic tracking, link, shortener with analytics, Bitly and Linktree. For productivity, Notion, organizing content, ideas, Trello, tracking promotions. But here's my honest take. Those tools help you, but they are brand aids. You are still working with your own hand tied behind your back. When I finally got access to a laptop around month 8 or 9, my product literally tripled. Tasks that took me hours on mobile, 50 minutes on a computer. Let me tell you about my world-renowned CPA project. In 2023, I tried a launch of this wild CPA marketing educational platform, and I spent months of planning it, mostly working on my phones because I was juggling college and it's completely failed. Why? Because I was trying to build something complex, a membership site, a course materials, email sequence, all in on mobile. I could not see the big picture. I could not test, think, probably I could not move fast enough. That failure taught me much more ambition to your resource. If you only have a phone, build phone size projects on social media account done really well. Bits 5 help build websites. So can you start after marketing with just a smartphone? Yes, you can start, but here's what that actually means. You can create social media content, build an audience, promote products, authentically make your first sales, learn the fundamentals, test what works for you. You can easily scale quickly, compete with people who have full steps, handle technical backend stuff, efficiently analyze data, deeply automated process. Think of mobile-friendly affiliate marketing like this. It's your training ground, not your favorite home. Use your phone to validate the model, prove to yourself this can work, build your skills, learn content creation, copywriting, audience building makes your first money. Even $100 proves you can do this. Save the better tools, use those earning to upgrade my journey. I spent about 8 months primarily on mobile, made maybe $10 total in that time. But more importantly, I learned what actually works. I learned basic strategy, how to read audience when I finally got consistent laptop access. I already know what to do, I just needed to do it faster. Okay, so if you are watching this and you only have a phone right now, here's what you should actually do. Step 1. Pick on platform, Instagram, TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Just on. Master it. Step 2. Choose on niche you understand. Don't promote random stuff. Promote products related to something you already know about or use. Step 3. Create a value content for 30 days. Not promotional content. Helpful content, tips, tutorial, honest review. Build trust first. Step 4. Join on affiliate programs. Amazon Affiliate is easiest to start. ClickBank if you want higher commission. Step 5. Soft promote. After 30 days of value, start monitoring products naturally. Use this tool for don't be salesy. Step 6. Track everything. Keep a simple note on your phone what you promoted, when what worked. Step 7. Reinvest fast earning. Make $50. Don't spend it on food. Save the budget to laptop or phone accessories that help you create better content. That's it. Simple and double. No magic. Look, I am not going to lie you and say mobile only affiliate marketing is easy for optimal. It's not, but it's possible and if a 19 years old kid selling his auntie's house in a small town in Bangladesh could figure it out with just a phone and YouTube, you can too. The question is not can you can start with just a phone. The question is, are you willing to start with what you have learned from failures and upgrade as you grow? I was, and I that December 3rd decision changed everything for me. You turn in this video help you hit the like button if you genuinely help more people find this content. Subscribe if you want more honest digital marketing advice without the BS, and drop a comment telling me what's the one thing holding you back from studying right now. I read every single comment and I will respond. Thanks for watching. Now go build something.